Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a profitable dropshipping business with Shopify and AliExpress. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without having to handle inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You simply create an online store, find products from suppliers on AliExpress, and list them on your store. When a customer places an order, you forward it to the supplier and they ship the product directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay to the supplier. Sounds easy, right? Well, not so fast. Dropshipping is a competitive and saturated market, and you need to do a lot of research, marketing, and testing to succeed. But don't worry, I'm here to help you with that. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of setting up your dropshipping store, finding winning products, and driving traffic to your store. Step 1. Set up your Shopify store. Shopify is the most popular platform for dropshipping because it's easy to use, has tons of features, and integrates well with AliExpress. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial and choose a plan that suits your budget. You'll also need to choose a domain name for your store and a theme that matches your niche. You can customize your theme with your logo, colors, fonts, and images. Step 2. Find products on AliExpress. AliExpress is the largest online marketplace for dropshipping products from China. You can browse millions of products in different categories and niches. You want to look for products that have high demand, low competition, good reviews, and fast shipping. You can use tools like AliExpress Dropshipping Center, Ecom Hunt, or Niche Scraper to help you find winning products. Step 3. Import products to your store. Once you've found some products that you want to sell, you need to import them to your store. You can use apps like Oberlo or Spocket to automate this process. These apps will allow you to import product images, descriptions, prices, variants, and inventory from AliExpress to your store with a few clicks. You can also edit the product details to make them more appealing and unique. Step 4. Set up your pricing and shipping. You need to decide how much you want to charge for your products and how much you want to charge for shipping. You want to make sure that you have enough profit margin after paying for the product cost and the shipping cost. You also want to offer competitive prices that attract customers. You can use apps like Profit Calculator or Markup Hero to help you calculate your profit margin. For shipping, you want to offer fast and reliable shipping options that don't cost too much. You can use apps like ePacket or AliExpress Standard Shipping to provide tracking information and delivery confirmation. You can also offer free shipping or flat rate shipping to simplify your pricing and increase conversions. Step 5. Drive traffic to your store. The last step is to get customers to visit your store and buy your products. There are many ways to drive traffic to your store, but the most common ones are Facebook ads. Facebook ads are one of the most effective ways to reach your target audience and generate sales. You can create different types of ads, such as video ads, carousel ads, or collection ads, and test different audiences, creatives, and offers. You can also use Facebook Pixel to track your conversions and optimize your campaigns. Instagram influencers. Instagram influencers are people who have a large and engaged following on Instagram. You can collaborate with them to promote your products in exchange for a fee or a commission. You can find influencers in your niche using tools like Shoutcart or FameBit. SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of improving your website's ranking on search engines like Google or Bing. You can optimize your website by using relevant keywords, creating valuable content, building backlinks, and improving your site speed and user experience. Email marketing. Email marketing is a way of building relationships with your customers and increasing repeat purchases. You can collect email addresses from your visitors using pop-ups or landing pages and send them newsletters, promotions, or updates about your store. You can use tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo to create and manage your email campaigns.